Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, December 4. More than 5,000 residents in central Westmoreland are now receiving regular water supply after the recent commissioning of the Barneyside tank. The tank, which can store 150,000 gallons of water, was refurbished at a cost of $4.3 million. It's serving the communities of Barneyside, Cornwall Mountain, Mount Stewart, Cold Spring, Castle Mountain, New Mills, Lambs River, Belvedere, Struy and Macfield. The distribution pipeline was also repaired to enable the piping of water to Betheltown residents. Water Minister Robert Pickersgill explained that due to the additional demand on the system, the water supply would have to be scheduled.
But some water is better than no water at all. And the work we have done on the tank and on the pipeline means that you will receive more than just a trickle from your pipes or have to rely on water being trucked to you.
He, however, assured the residents that further works would be done in the area to increase the volume of water provided. Over 150 local healthcare workers are now being trained by 2 Cuban experts as part of Ebola preparedness, response and management activities. The 2 Cubans, who are experts in the field of microbiology and epidemiology, are in the island as part of an agreement reached during a mission to Cuba in October, led by Minister of Health Dr. Fenton Ferguson. They are conducting sessions on epidemiology, patient management, safety, infection control, use of personal protective equipment, risks associated with Ebola and isolation. The training began on Monday and will continue over the next 3 weeks. Participants include doctors and nurses from the public and private health sectors, as well as representatives from the University Hospital of the West Indies and the UTech School of Public Health. These persons, along with 30 Cuban workers who arrived in the island in November, will be part of the team of health staff preparing for any possibility of Ebola reaching Jamaica. Some 33 additional LED streetlights installed along the Palisadoes Main Road in Kingston have been reaping significant savings for the government. The energy-efficient lights have resulted in about a 35% reduction in energy costs.
This journey to conserve and to become more efficient users of energy is one that the entire country is on.
The lights were officially commissioned into service on Tuesday. Their installation represents the 3rd phase of the Palisadoes Rockford Streetlight project being implemented jointly by the Energy Ministry, Caribbean Maritime Institute and the Jamaica Public Service Company. Jamaica is now closer to introducing the timeshare system of vacation accommodation to the island's tourism product after the Senate's passage of the Timeshare Vacations Bill on Friday. It was previously passed in the House of Representatives.
This bill, Mr. President, is important enabling legislation that seeks to allow Jamaica to access both local and international investment in a sector of the resort industry that has become well established in many major tourism markets around the world.
Timeshare or vacation ownership involves shared ownership of vacation real estate where purchasers rotate their use of the property. The Transport Authority, in partnership with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, has rolled out a special island-wide enforcement operation. It's aimed at reducing illegal activities and indiscipline on the roads and will encourage operators of public passenger vehicles to comply with road rules.
We want the commuting public and our operators out there to understand that we are serious and we are enforcing and strengthening our compliance drive and our enforcement activities.
The authority is urging commuters to make their safety a priority and to only travel in legitimate vehicles. And finally, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security is assuring workers that they have no reason to fear discrimination under the Flexible-Work Arrangement law. Acting Director of the Legal Services Unit at the Ministry, Camille Bennett-Campbell, says the Act can only be implemented at a business place after negotiations between an employer and the workers.
People have to understand that they have this right. They cannot change their contract without agreement, and that there's recourse. You can come to the Ministry of Labour and we can assist you.
In October, the Senate passed the Flexible Work Arrangements Miscellaneous Provisions Act with several labour laws amended to allow for the implementation of the legislation. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.